Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix share story option not available on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Snapchat and update your Snapchat application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the settings and then you need to go into the app management, and here you need to go into the app list and search for the Snapchat. Okay, and then you need to click on storage and cache, and then you need to click on clear cache and clear storage. Once you've done that, you simply need to log in your Snapchat account and click on the icon in the top left, and here you need to click on new story, and here you can see the option of new shared story. So by following these steps, you can easily fix new shared story option not available on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.